Jai Sriman We almost reached that location. I can see Ganga river there, and there are so many Naravastras dried upon in that Ramashramam. Oh, my dear Shatrughna, Aryam Drakshyami Samhrushto Maharshimiva Raghavam. In this ashramam, my Ramachandra, who will be appearing to me as a Maharshi, I am going to have darshanam of my Ramachandra Swami. Oh, my dear Shatrughna, Jagatyam Purushavyagra Aste Virasane Rataha. I am going to see my Ramachandra Swami. Probably Ramachandra Swami is sitting only on the earth, bare earth, because there are no any other beddings or sofa sets or chairs. I made Rama sit on the floor. That is what is my life. My life is waste. My pranam is waste. Ho Shatrughna, everyone is accusing me, saying that because of me, Rama got into so many troubles. Oh Shatrughna, everybody is accusing me that because of me and for me, Rama gave up all his pleasures, all his desires, and got into forest. Oh Shatrughna, like this entire universe is accusing me. Now I am going to go and fell on the divine feet of my Rama and Sitamma and ask for forgiveness. Oh Shatrughna, I am going to do namaskaram to Lakshmana also. Though he is younger than me, I will do namaskaram to Lakshmana also. Oh Shatrughna, I will try my level best to please Sita, Rama, Lakshmana. Oh Shatrughna, I can see such a beautiful Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam Parnasalam Manoramam. Beautiful Parnasala I can see. Oh Shatrughna, with all the trees, with all the leaves of the trees, they covered that Parnasala. Salatala Svakarnanam. Such Parnasala Dadarsa Mahatim. I am seeing that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, all the darbha, such grass blades are covered too, are spreaded all over the Parnasala. Such Parnasala, Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam, Manoramam. I am looking at that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, just like Indradhanus, whatever the bows that Rama and Lakshmana have, such a wonderful, big, huge bows. I can see them in that Parnasala. Such Parnasala I am seeing that Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam, Parnasala Manoramam. Oh Shatrughna, I can also see there are so many arrows. Everywhere I can see in that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, I can also see all kind of gods to guard bodies, gods to guard hands, and there are some gods to safeguard fingers while fighting with someone. There are so many kind of gods I can see in that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam. Such Parnasala I am able to see now. Oh Shatrughna, as and how all small animals get scared to get into the den of lion. Such kind of lion-like Parnasala I can see. All the enemies would be really scared to even come close to this Parnasala. Such Parnasala, very pure Parnasala, sacred Parnasala, Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam, Parnasala Manoramam. Oh Shatrughna, now I can see very clearly the entire Parnasala, Ramashramam. Like that, Bharata expressing all of his happiness and joy while approaching while getting close and close to Parnasala. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.